Want to know the difference between on and onto? Keep watching to learn. Hi, I'm Tamika, and welcome to English with Natives, where we are dedicated in helping you to speak with confidence. Click the link in the description box below to download your free copy of my ebook, 10 Tips to Learning English Faster. So you want to know the difference between on and onto. We use the preposition on to describe one object on top of another object. That object on top must be touching the other object. For an example, my hand is on the book. My hand is on the book. I use on in this sentence because my hand is touching the book. Let's take a look at some other examples. The cups are on the table. The woman is painting on the wall. You can also use the preposition on to talk about days, dates, and locations. Let's start with days. In general, if I work every Monday, I could say, I work on Mondays. Next, dates. Jane's birthday is on May 1st. And last, locations. We can use the preposition on for names of streets. Bob lives on Wade Street. Now that you understand the preposition on, let's take a look at the preposition onto. We use the preposition onto to describe the motion of one object moving onto another object. For an example, I am moving my hand onto the book. Now that the motion has finished, my hand is on the book. So again, I am moving my hand onto the book. Now my hand is on the book. Let's take a look at some other examples. The frog is leaping onto the lily pad. The librarian is putting the book onto the shelf. Now let's compare on and onto. In this photo, the boys are jumping on the bed. Before they start the action of jumping, they are on the bed. After the action of jumping, they are still on the bed. Their position did not change. In the second photo, the dog is jumping onto the bed. Before the action of jumping, the dog was on the couch. After jumping, the dog will be on the bed. Here we use onto because the positions before and after changed. In summary, we use the preposition on to describe things that are on top of and touching another object. And we use the preposition onto to describe things that are changing positions from one place to another, and the end result is that object being on top of another object. Please comment down below and tell me how you use the prepositions on and onto. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can also find us on Facebook at English with Natives. There you can enjoy daily posts and interact with other students plus more. See you there. Bye.